Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video, guys, before entering in this video, just I need to tell one thing. Actually, guys, today is my special day. Why means finally here can see in front of you. Finally, I have purchased this Galaxy S24 smartphone in Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, guys. Actually, I have purchased this smartphone at rupees cost of 39,108, including some 1,000 rupees additional discount in Flipkart. Not only that, guys, if you're having a Flipkart Access Bank card, means you will get some cash back around 1,950. You will get additionally if you are having means. But anyway, I'm not having that. Just I have purchased this smartphone at rupees cost of 39,108 in Flipkart, guys. Actually, this Snapdragon powered smartphone, guys. It is not Exynos variant. This is a Snapdragon variant, guys. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 variant, actually this smartphone is. Okay, okay guys, let's come on. It's now time to do a unboxing of this smartphone, guys. Actually, guys, here I have pasted a sellotape because there is a IMEI number is there, so only just I have just stick a tape. And okay, that's good. And okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to do unboxing. And guys, this is a 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB variant, guys. And there's a 256 GB variant is also there in this Galaxy S24. Okay, it's good. And okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to do unboxing. Okay, just now I'm going to remove the seal. Likewise, same thing here too. That's it. And okay, let's come on guys, it's now time to open this box. Okay, I need to I need to remove this too. See, it's too strong. Just a minute. Yeah, come on, actually it's very strong, guys. Okay guys, finally I removed this seal too. Let's go. Okay, come on guys, it's now time to remove this box, guys. 3 2 1. Yeah, here you can see here's the Galaxy S24 smartphone, guys. Actually this is a violet color, guys. There's three colors is there in this Samsung Galaxy S24 actually. Okay, just first we need to take this out. So it will not come out. Here you can see, just we need to take this out like this. Okay, let's keep this smartphone aside and let's see what are the things they have given. Actually guys, you can see there is nothing inside. It seems, oh, here, sorry, actually there's a smartphone box. And let's see what are the things they are provided. Just I need to open this box. Okay, here is it. Okay, there's nothing inside it, that's it. And okay, and here you can see guys, here's the SIM ejector tool. First thing they have provided, here you can see here's the SIM ejector tool. And what is this? There is some kind of documentations for this package content. Okay, regional log guide, it's good. We need to use a Indian SIM cards only, it seems. This product should be activated with a SIM card issued from mobile operator within India. Okay, just I'm going to use the smartphone in India only. Okay, that's it. There's nothing inside it. And they're providing this both side type C cable, but power adapter we need to purchase it, guys, separately through online. It will be available in Flipkart or Amazon. Just we need to purchase it. Okay, I need to remove this. Yeah, that's it, I removed. You can see here's the cable. Okay, let's keep this aside. Actually this looks is very awesome, guys. You can see it's very smooth, and there's a box type actually. You can see it's just like a box type, guys. Okay, that's it. And okay guys, let's go on, it's now time to turn on the smartphone. Actually guys, and okay guys, let's go on, just we need to remove this sticker. Yeah, come on, just I'm going to remove it up. Okay, you can see I have turned on this. Okay guys, actually I have turned on this smartphone, guys, by pressing this button accidentally. Sorry for that. At the time of this sticker removing. Okay, anyway, it's good. Okay guys, let's come on. It's now just we need to do this small setup. Just click on start, and we need to accept this or license and terms and conditions and all. Just click on agree, and here you can see easy setup with another device. If you're having any iPhone or any other Android device, means you can transfer your data from your phone to this. Just I'm going to do this kind of things later, set up manually. Okay, I'm going to connect this. Just skip, do not copy. Okay, actually this is not it. Okay, anyway, just later I'm going to do this setup guys, this date and time and all. Okay, skip anyway. Just I'm going to disable this. Okay, just click accept, and here you can see Samsung services, auto blocker or block apps, customer service. Okay, personal data intelligence, it's good. Okay, just click agree, and you can switch any mode guys. Choose your display mode, light or dark. Actually just dark, I need a dark mode. Just click on next. Okay, please wait, it's asking. Okay, get recommended apps from Samsung Essential. Okay, just click on next, and you're all set up guys. It's good. Just click on home, and okay guys, you can see finally we have completed this small setup of this Galaxy S24 smartphone. Let's see in which version it is running. In about category we can able to see, you can see it is currently running in One UI 7 Android 15 only. It's good. Okay, it's good. That's it guys. Actually it's very smooth guys while comparing to Galaxy S22. It's good, it looks very premium actually. That's it. And let's open a camera. You can see the camera clarity is also awesome guys. You can see actually there's a three lenses there. One is a 50 MP camera, and another one is ultra wide, it is a 12 MP, and another one is a telephoto lens guys. It comes up with 10 MP telephoto camera, and front is 12 guys, 12 MP camera. It's good. Okay, that's it. Type C charging cable, and we can able to insert one nano sim, I think. Just I need to check that. Okay, it's good guys. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or doubt, means just ask in below comment section guys. I will reply as soon as possible, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.